No, I've never seen him or known about him, not at all. Oh yeah, well, luckily, by the grace of Allah, our missionaries in charge, Naeem Ahmad Waraig Sahib, he has sent a message that he had seen a dream before. He writes in a letter, "A day before the election, I lay down after Fajr prayer, and the following unforgettable vision came before my eyes. Hazur, Ayyadahullah Ta'ala bin Nasr al-Aziz, and Mr. Sayyid Khalid Ahmad Shah are standing together. A ray of white light descends from the heavens and illuminates Hazur's face. After this, I was convinced that the fifth caliph of Ahmadiyya will be Mirza Masroor Ahmad Sahib. These days, Hazur's countenance shines with the same light that I had seen descend from the heavens."